In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post long videos to WhatsApp status. If you've ever tried to share a long clip and bumped into WhatsApp's limit, this walkthrough will show you a simple way to post the whole thing by splitting it into consecutive parts, right inside WhatsApp. No extra apps needed. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and connected to a stable internet connection. A strong Wi Fi signal will help your video segments upload quickly and keep the quality consistent. Next, head to the Updates or Status tab and tap My Status to start a new post. This is where you build your sequence. You'll see your camera and gallery options. Choose your gallery so you can pick the existing long video you want to share. Now select your video from your gallery. WhatsApp will load it into the status editor. At the top of the screen, you'll notice yellow cropping sliders on the timeline. These control which portion of the video gets posted in this status entry. Drag the sliders to highlight the first 90 seconds. Take a moment to preview the selection so your clip starts and ends cleanly. If you want, you can add a quick caption or sticker here. Just remember that captions apply to the current segment only. When you're happy, hit send. WhatsApp will begin uploading that first part. After it sends, go back to your status composer and reselect the exact same video from your gallery. You'll repeat the process, but this time drag the yellow sliders forward to cover the next 90 seconds. Aim to start exactly where the previous segment ended so your viewers experience a seamless transition. A helpful tip is to note the timestamp at the end of the last segment and align the new start to that point. Once set, send the second segment. Continue this process. Reopen your status, pick the same video, move the sliders to the next 90-second window, and send until you've posted the whole video in order. Each piece will appear as a separate status entry, but your audience will watch them back to back in the sequence you uploaded. Let each part finish uploading before you move on, and try to keep your phone awake and WhatsApp open for faster, more reliable posting. That's it. By carefully selecting each 90-second slice and sending them one after another, you'll share your entire video smoothly on WhatsApp status with clear, continuous playback for your viewers.